Good morning, students. I welcome back in your English class. And do you know what was the last chapter? Your chapter was Discovering Truth. The saga continues, and today we will complete the rest of the part of the same chapter. Your page number is 26, I think, and we will start third para from the last. Regardless of his fame and the speculations about his fate, Tut is one mummy among. Sorry, this was complete. We will start the second part. A city machine scanned and the mummy head to toe. Do you know what was done? A CT scan was done. A CT scan was done for King Tut's mummy from head to toe, creating 1700 digital X-rays images in cross sections. It means 1700 images X-rays was taken in different section also, cross sections. Tut's head is scanned in 0.62 millimeter slices, it means pieces, to register its intricate means complex structure. Takes on airy detail. What is airy? Surprising. Airy means surprising detail in the resulting image. And when X-rays were taken, a number of सरप्राइजिंग फैक्ट्स वर रिवील्ड. जब उनका एक्सरे लिया गया तो काफी सरप्राइजिंग फैक्ट रिवील्ड हुए. विद टूट्स एंटायर बॉडी सिमिलरली रिकॉर्डेड अ टीम ऑफ स्पेशलिस्ट इन रेडियोलॉजी. डोंट यू नो रेडियोलॉजी? रेडिएशंस, रेडियोलॉजिस्ट, फोरेंसिक्स एंड एनाटॉमी, स्टडी ऑफ बॉडी, began to probe means investigate the secrets that the winged goddess of a gilded burial shrine protected for so long. What is the meaning of gilded? It means pure. And here we can see shrine. Shrine word is connected with King Tut's tomb. T-O-M-B. Protected for long. And when X-rays was done, लोगों का कहना ये था कि किंग टुट की जो डेड बॉडी थी, उसका जो मम्मी था, इट वॉज प्रोटेक्टेड. उनकी सुरक्षा किसने की थी? विंग्ड गॉडेस. विंग वाली गॉडेस ने, पंखों वाली गॉडेस ने. शी प्रोटेक्टेड द मम्मी ऑफ किंग टुट. द नाइट ऑफ द स्किन, वर्कमैन कैरिड टुट फ्रॉम द टूम इन हिज बॉक्स. व्हाट डिड द वर्कमैन डू? दे कैरिड टूम फ्रॉम द टॉम इन द बॉक्स like the pallbearers. What is the pallbearers? It means coffin carriers, जो coffin को खींच के ले जाते हैं, ताबूतों को. They climb the ramp. Ramp means slope. It is a kind of slope. वो slope पर चढ़ते हैं. And a flight of stairs. It means some stairs into the swirling sand. And they entered into the swirling means moving in circle. The sand which was moving in circle. Then rose a hydraulic lift. What is the meaning of hydraulic lift? The lift which is run by the liquid, जो liquid से चलती है, into the trailer and held the scanner. 20 minutes later, two men emerged. Emerged means came out. 20 minutes के बाद two men बाहर आए. Sprinted. It means ran fast. They ran fast for an office nearby and returned with a pair of white plastic fans. उसमें जो fans थे ना मशीन में, they were damaged. That's why they got two more new fans. Next part, the $1 million scanner had quit. Quit means like, you know, quit करना, leave करना, withdraw करना. Because of sand in the cooler fan. जो कूलर के फैन थे उनमें sand, it means मिट्टी चला गया था. That's why they were damaged. Curse of the pharaoh jogged the guard nervously. एंड जो गार्ड खड़ा था तो नर्वसली क्या कहा? या इट इज ऑल्सो कर्स ऑफ फेराउस. ये भी फेराउ का एक कर्स है. इवेंचुअली, फाइनली, द सब्स्टिट्यूट मीन्स अल्टरनेटिव फेंस वर्कड वेल इनफ टू फिनिश द प्रोसीजर. द रिमेनिंग प्रोसीजर or process was completed by the help of two new fans. After checking that no data had been lost, the technicians turned Tut over to the workmen who carried him back to his tomb. And after his scan, what happened? King Tut's dead body, his mummy, was again laid by the workmen into his tomb. Less than 3 hours after he was removed from his coffin, the pharaoh again rested in peace. और 3 आवर्स के अंदर ही अंदर उस फेराओ किंग को शांति से वही लेटा दिया गया वेयर ही वाज लाइड, जहां वो लेटा था। द फ्यूनररी प्रीस्ट हैड लेड हिम सो लॉन्ग अगो। फ्यूनररी प्रीस्ट मींस द प्रीस्ट हु ऑलवेज कम्स एट द टाइम ऑफ फ्यूनरल। अंतिम संस्कार के टाइम जो प्रीस्ट आता है, पुजारी आता है, उसकी बात की जा रही है। जिस तरह उन्होंने कई साल पहले बिफोर मेनी ईयर्स ही डिड, जैसा उन्होंने किया था। वंस अगेन किंग टुट वाज अगेन लेड इन हिज टूम। Back in the trailer, a technician pulled up astonishing images. एक टेक्नीशियन ने सरप्राइजिंग इमेजेस ली of Tut on a computer screen. A grey head took shape from a scattering of pixels. What is pixels? Dots. And the technician spun means moved and titled it. एक ग्रे हेड बनाया गया, उसमें कुछ डॉट्स थे, स्केटरिंग, स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ डॉट्स, कुछ डॉट्स थे। एंड टेक्नीशियन ने क्या किया, मूड इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा हटाया एंड टाइटल इट इन एवरी डायरेक्शंस एंड मूड द हेड कंप्यूटर से। ऑल थिंग इज डन ऑन कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन, कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे हो रहा है सब कुछ। और कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे किंग टूट का जो हेड बनाया गया था, ग्रे हेड, उसको अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में मूव किया गया। अदर इमेजेस रिवील द हेड, और बाय द हेल्प ऑफ अदर इमेजेस हेड वाज आल्सो अपीयर्ड। एक्सरेज में जो लिया गया था उनकी बात की जा रही है। द इमेजेस which were taken through X-rays and several views of rib cage and a transection. What is transections? Part of spine of the skull. This part is known as skull. But for now the pressure was off. Sitting back in his chair, Jahi Abbas smiled, who was secretary, visible relieved. He was very relieved. He was in relief that nothing had gone seriously wrong. और जही अब्बास ने क्या, कुछ भी गलत नहीं हुआ। I didn't sleep last night, not for a second. I was so worried, I was so tensed, but now I think I will go and sleep. Now last para. By the time we left the trailer, author is saying when we left the trailer, descending metal stairs, when we were coming down from the metal stairs to the sandy ground, हम जब मेटल सीढ़ियों को छोड़कर ग्राउंड पर, उस जमीन पर जहां मिट्टी थी वहां आ रहे थे, द विंड हैड स्टॉप्ड टिल देन, जो हवा थी वो रुक चुकी थी। द विंटर एयर ले कोल्ड एंड विंटर एयर वाज वेरी कोल्ड एंड स्टिल लाइक डेथ इटसेल्फ, एंड द कोल्ड इट वाज लुकिंग लाइक डेथ। ठंड होती है ना, वो डेथ की तरह होती है, बहुत ठंडी होती है, चुभती है। इन द वैली ऑफ द डिपार्टेड, this was known as the valley of departed. Departed means the people who have been died and who had left them, जिन्होंने छोड़ दिया है। In 10th class, you know, there was a play, The Deer Departed. The Deer Departed. Just above the entrance to King Tut's tomb stood Orion, and above the tomb of King Tut, there was Orion. Who was Orion? A group of stars. Orion is known as a group of stars. The constellation, it means again same thing, group of stars that the ancient Egyptians knew the soul of Osiris. और इन ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स को जो इजिप्शियंस थे, दे कंसिडर्ड, वो क्या मानते थे, द सोल ऑफ ओसिरिस, कि दीज स्टार्स आर द सोल ऑफ ओसिरिस। हु वाज ओसिरिस? द गॉड ऑफ आफ्टर लाइफ, इट मीन्स द गॉड ऑफ डेथ, the god of death watching over the boy king. And you know, King Tut, he was well preserved. His King Tut's mummy, it was well preserved or kept safe by God also, and it has been revealed earlier in the last para also that the god of afterlife, it means god of death, was watching the mummy, or we can say the tomb of King Tut, and the place where he was buried, जहां उसे दफनाया गया था। Students, this is not interesting chapter but not boring also. You must go through the all words, and in next class we will complete the remaining chapter, and next chapter, that is landscape of the soul. Till then, thank you.